I'm back with another get ready with me, but not really. I've already put on concealer, and I've just like set my eyes because today I'm just going to be doing like an alternative type makeup look. Sorry, I've been seeing people do that, so now I'm just but yeah. Oh look, this is my newest tattoo. She's still healing, so she's kind of rough right now. But boy, am I doing I have realized that everything I want right now is like unachievable. Like my goals are like, no, can't do it right now, not in the near future. So I've just been focusing on like art and eating better. Let me contour my nose because I do want her to be looking sharp today. I've stopped like using foundation and contouring because I think my skin looks pretty good. I feel like in real life this may look a little too intense, but on camera I really like it. Like, I don't even care. Everything is so fucking hard with hooded ass eyes. Like, what am I supposed to do? But yeah, I was talking about art, and yeah, like, art. This is one of my not as good pieces. I've been working on this, not going along too well. I was so confident up here, and then down here, like, ruined it. What am I doing? Hopefully I can blend this out, I'm hoping. I think I'm doing good, but I can fix this. Yeah, I'm just gonna blend that into that, hope for the best. I like not having eyebrows. What is there to not like about not having eyebrows? Like, having like such a clear looking face with like not having eyebrows, like, oh, wow. Yo, chill. Whoa, what the fuck? What the fuck? My cats are throwing down right now. What the fuck? Okay. Yo, chill. Teddygrams, chill. Chill. God damn. That was crazy. I've been experimenting a lot more with makeup lately, and I'm really happy about it. Because I used to just do the things that made me look pretty. And like, yeah, all makeup makes me look pretty, but I did the comfortable things that made me look pretty. And now I'm doing the slightly less comfortable things that make me feel pretty. I just like doing the same thing because I know like, oh, I'm gonna get a good result if I do this. But like, if I'm doing something and I don't know if I'm gonna get a good result, I'm like, okay, so I think I'm just going to do the same thing to the other eye, and then I'm gonna try and do some eyeliner tricks. I don't think that'll work out. All the time I see people like do cool spikes under their eye, and every time I've gone through like, oh, fuck, what the fuck? Oh, I just fucked that shit up, okay? Every single fucking time I get new eyeliner, And mind you, I've gone to like, what, 30 every single time I read reviews and they're like, this one, this is it, yes chef, yes chef, yeah. And then I use it and it's like dry and shit. Like, what am I supposed to do? How does your guys' eyeliner work and mine not? Like, make it make sense. Back to the eyeliner fucking thing. I see people do cool eyeliner under their eyes, blah blah blah. Mine's dry as fuck. I can't get to do the same thing. But like, how do you make the one eye look like the other eye? Like right now, like this isn't even, and I have to go fix that. Well, gosh, everyone's like, oh, I'm depressed because of the pandemic, but I'm just like all the time going through it. Like, God, like even without the pandemic, I feel like I would have been this way. Also, I am going to do a tattoo tour soon. I just don't want to do one now because I'm like, oh, I have so many I still have planned out to do. But I think I should just go ahead and do one now. Lately, I've been wanting to film videos and stuff, but my heart is just not in it. Like, my heart's just not in it. Like, it's so hard to get up and do because I'm like, you know what, I can't even, like, I hardly was even able to make myself food today. Like, how am I supposed to film a video? But I'm trying to force myself to do it because rent money. It's not like I don't enjoy it because, like, once I've done it, I'm like, yes, that is what I needed. But it takes like months to get the motivation to actually be like, let's do it. I really feel like a scene queen, like on YouTube in like 2000, let's say 14 or 15, doing like the panda eye tutorial. Okay, I tried my best, but I think it's time to give up. So I'm gonna go ahead and line my waterline now. This is what I always wanted my makeup to be when I was emo. And all I could muster up was like a winged liner because I didn't know if this makeup would suit me. And I felt embarrassed. I felt so embarrassed to wear makeup when I was younger because like I felt bad because I was like, ooh, wearing makeup makes me a girl. But yeah, now I don't care because I'm like, I'm gonna define me. I'm not gonna let the makeup define me. Yup. I had to kick my own blood out. So usually for me, I like to line my lips with eyeshadow just because I don't have like lip liners. But listen here, if you do it with eyeshadow, it stays for longer. Like, it stays way longer than if you were using like just a lipstick. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give myself eyebrows. Now it's pretty much just time to put on lashes. But I get all my lashes from the beauty store. Like, guys, that is the best place to cop lashes. Like, you'll get the bombest lashes for like $3 to $5. And all the online stores sell them for like, what, $25 sometimes, which is crazy. I'm convinced sometimes they just buy them from like beauty stores and then like create packaging. I'm just gonna slap some shiz onto my nerve and put my lashes on, and we're gonna call it a day. Alright, so this is the completed look. I like it. I think it's cute. And this wasn't too complicated. I literally just used those like white and black sticks. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video.